To install your new 600 series Velcro cover, we'll begin with the platform cover, which is the smaller of the two pieces. Begin by laying the platform cover flat on the ground and peeling off the white fabric backing strip to reveal the Velcro. Use your remote control to place the bed into the 0G preset position to expose the platform. Start by placing the Velcro cover over one corner of the foot section of the platform. The notch should be facing up. Place the rest of the Velcro cover into its basic shape. Carefully stretch the cover over the platform, beginning from the corner where you started and moving toward the adjacent corner. Smooth the fabric as you go. Stretch the cover over the adjacent corner, making sure to pull it as tight as possible. Go back over the section you just applied to smooth out any wrinkles. You may have to re-adhere the Velcro under the platform to make sure you have a tight fit. Use your remote to lower the foot of the bed. This will make it easier to apply the Velcro cover to the sides of the platform. Place the cover over one corner of the platform at the head of the bed. Move slowly along the side of the platform, pulling the Velcro cover tightly into place. Repeat this step for the other side of the base. You are now finished installing the platform cover. To install the shroud cover, remove the white fabric backing to expose the Velcro and lay the cover out onto the bed in its basic shape. Start with one corner of the foot of the bed. Secure the Velcro to the inside of the shroud on the top and bottom. This first corner does not have to be perfect. Stretch the shroud cover over to the adjacent corner and adhere the Velcro to the inside of the shroud just as you did in the previous step. Be sure to tuck the top of the Velcro cover down in behind the shroud. Move slowly along the foot of the bed, carefully tightening up the Velcro cover and removing any wrinkles. You may need to repeat this process a few times to remove all of the wrinkles and get the tightest possible fit. Repeat these initial steps on all sides of the bed, just as you did with the platform cover. Once you are finished, return the bed to the flat position. You are now finished installing your 600 series Velcro cover.